1998 Chrysler Cirrus XLI 2.5 V6. I had to do a starter replacement. I did check all my fuses. I tried jump starting it. I tried about everything before I changed the starter. But the starter, you will need a small floor jack. I put it up on blocks and a bottle jack. You do have to take the oil filter off to get to the starter. It did seem to all go together right. This car needs the valve covers replaced on. I might do that for my next project. Got my negative back on. But it was at the starter. That's the main question here. Here's a quick picture of me doing this. But will it start? And it does. It was the starter. Very happy with my starter replacement. Starts right up.